Hello, class. We are going to talk about asking questions before reading and after reading for fiction books. And we're going to use a very common known book from all of us, which is Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Because I want to make a distinction between asking questions before, during, and after reading for fiction and nonfiction to you, all of you. There are some differences in the questions that we ask when we are reading fiction books. So let's start with before the reading. Before the reading questions are questions that kind of helps us to predict what we might find in a story. So they are prediction type of questions. What's going to happen? What's going to be the plot? Where is the setting? Or what time is the setting of the plot going on? So all those kind of, what is the genre? Those kind of questions, they are all questions that help us to kind of predict of what to expect before we start doing the reading. Let's go now for during the reading and after the reading questions for specifically this story, Goldilocks and the Three Bears. One of the questions that we might ask ourselves during the reading is, why do you think the bears did not lock their door? That is a good question. That's a good, thick question that may help us to go deeper into the story. Let's go now ask questions after the reading. So we all read the book, Goldilocks and the Three Bears, and two questions that I think are very thick to all of us is, the first one is, do you think that Goldilocks might try to do this again? This is a open-ended question that can generate some debate among us, or where we could also make a stand. Some would say yes and some would say no, and then they would have to explain their position, of course. And the second question that we could ask could be, should Goldilocks be charged with invading personal property? So, I just realized that I have a mistake right here in my spelling, so I am just going to fix it right now. Property and be charged with invading personal property. Okay, so boys and girls, this is important for all of us to think about the thick questions. Thick questions have to do more what if this would happen, and they are inferential questions rather than literal questions. They do not involve so much the what of the when or the what or the where, but they involve more of the why and the what ifs or what might have happened. Okay, hope you understood this. Talk with you later. Bye.